Unique ecosystems around the world support different flora and fauna. How does nature tie into people's everyday lives? In Nature Field Notes, travelers research a specific plant or animal that is native to their host country. They share its scientific and cultural relevance with their students. While biking in the German countryside, Michaela noticed a sea of yellow flowers. Keeping her field note assignment in mind, she stopped to take a closer look. Michaela shared what she learned about their importance to German daily life.
I asked some of my friends if they knew what type of plant it was. My German friend Priscilla told me it was Raps. That's also when I made the connection that the Rapsöl, or canola oil, that I had in my kitchen came from these beautiful flowers. Raps were originally used as oil for machines and for old-fashioned lanterns. Now, the modified version has many uses, including cooking oil, animal feed, and biofuel.
By learning about the plants and animals in their travelers' surroundings, students draw comparisons to the natural world around them. What kinds of living things do you encounter in your everyday life? How do they connect to your environment and culture?